Hey, Erica here. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways I was using Facebook groups completely wrong to grow my business. And if you click the link below, you can check out my blog post with 2 additional ways I was using it wrong and how you can actually use it to grow your business. Sorry, I'm going to be looking down at some notes real quick. So the first one was that I was using it as a passive advertising tool. I thought, oh, if I'm active in there and then every blue moon share that, hey, I can provide that for you. I thought that would grow my influence and grow my business. I was completely wrong. On there, it's more about you using it as a research platform because depending on the type of group you're in, a lot of people might be asking for your services, but they might not be your ideal audience inside the group. So you want to kind of be more of a participator and just take a lot of information in. You want to look at what question keeps coming up over and over and see if you can either add to the solution to their problem or see if you can make a product that can solve the solution to their problem or service. So instead of me using it for passive advertising, I now am using it more for like market research. I can see, okay, this is a topic that I should talk about on my blog or on my YouTube channel, or I should probably make a tutorial on that. Or I should probably help that person in some kind of way, especially in like the marketing related groups since I am in digital marketing and design. A lot of people will ask questions about social media. So it's like, oh, okay, cool. Now I know what to talk about social media next because all of them are talking about Pinterest and Pinterest, tribes, group boards. So it's like, okay, that's something that keeps coming up. A lot of people are still confused, or not still, especially a newer business owner. If you are transitioning your personal Pinterest into your business Pinterest, that can be confusing. So it lets me know, okay, this is what people are struggling with, and this is how I can help them. So that's way number 1, using it as passive advertising. Number 2, this is a huge one. I was not paying attention to who the admins of the group were. Shocker. So I went into the mentality, or I listened to, those super positive people. We want to see everyone win. Let's collaborate. Let's not compete. Well, no. Not in a Facebook group. Depending on who the admin is, like if the admin is in your same industry, they don't want you to outshine them. So they're either gonna not approve your post or like it's just not gonna reach as many people. And I have proof. Like I'm not gonna show the proof on here for the privacy of the group members, but I'm in a group with like over 100 and now it's up to like 150,000 members of women entrepreneurs. And I posted some stuff, and some of it has gotten like hundreds of comments, but then other times I posted and it's like crickets, and it's like, how is that? Or it didn't get approved at all. So pay attention to who the admins are. I'm not telling you to start your own Facebook group because that's a lot of commitment. You have to be active in there. You have to find other admins because if you're busy out in your business, you're not going to have time to sit there and monitor every single comment. And it can get kind of catty in those groups. Being honest. So that's way number 2. Way number 3, that I was using it completely wrong to grow my business, was I was not paying attention to the demographics. So kind of like I hinted at earlier with my ideal client. Those are not the groups for my ideal client. I'm being honest. So you have to find the group where your ideal clients hang out. And you have to figure out, do you want to hang out there too? Like, can you stand it? Because I'm in one Facebook group, and it is with women YouTubers of color, and I provide YouTube branding. So I thought, oh, perfect match. I provide YouTube branding. They all do YouTube. Match made in heaven. Well, the admins are very, very strict on self-promotion. Boo. And you have to, they have strict rules in the threads, and they just might not be my target market, believe it or not, even though I provide product for them, we're probably never going to meet there in the middle where a transaction happens because of how that group is set up. So I would say definitely, like I said, go to where your ideal clients hang out. It might not even be on Facebook groups. They might be in Pinterest groups. They might be in LinkedIn groups. They might not even be on Facebook groups. I mean, so serious. So those are the 3 things I did completely wrong. And like I said, I have 2 more tips. Yeah.